Hi, this is Jack from Autism Plugged In, and today we're going to be taking a look at an appnetized free app for Android, which is something we usually don't do, but it's a great app, and I happen to have an Android tablet, so we're going to take a look at that today. It's called LetMeTalk. It's really the Android market. Google Play doesn't have a lot of apps that help kids with communication, so this is really a great resource for parents who are looking to have a tablet other than the iPad and still be able to do things like you would do in Proloquo2Go, which is an iPad-only app. Plus, this is free, and Proloquo2Go is around $200. So, I'm going to walk you through the app here, and you see I've got a new setup since we were having lag issues with the streaming. So this is kind of the beginning of LetMeTalk. This is what it looks like. And we've got these different categories. All of these are pre-made. They come with the app. So I can just click into one of them. We can look at Sentence Maker. And basically, the way this works, the same way as most other AAC apps. You're just going to tap on the picture, and then it's going to speak aloud.
I do not know. I need help.
And then it's going to put those items into the kind of top bar. So if we want to review those same items, if you tap them in the top bar here, you'll be able to hear what they are again.
I need help. I do not know.
And then if you want to speak them all at once, you hit this play button here right at the top.
I do not know. I need help.
And it's going to speak everything together that you have. If you want to delete whatever's in the sentence queue, just hit that button right there and it'll get rid of those. So let's look at another category that they just have pre-made, maybe feelings. You can see some of the things they have here.
Boring. Frightened. Boring. Frightened.
And also with this app, which is free, it's wonderful because you can also add your own personalized items. So it really gives you a platform to build off of. If you hit this plus up here, you can do several things. You can search for an image, you can take a photo, you can add an image from the gallery, or you can add a new category. So if you were to press take a photo, you would take a photo with your device and then use that photo as something within the app. Or you can add an image from the gallery. And then you can select a photo that you happen to have. You would enter whatever word you would like to use for that photo.
Cool.
And then it'll show up there. And you can also have different categories. Here you'll see add new categories. You can categorize things accordingly. So if you wanted to have, maybe you wanted to add an animals tab, you could do that with this app. Or you could add people, take pictures of people in your family and add that tab. So really you can do anything you want with this app because in addition to having all of these great already customized pre-made things, you can add your own just by hitting this plus button here and taking images or choosing from your gallery. Here on the top right, these little three dots, this is where you can go to the settings and also read about LetMeTalk or get support if you're having trouble. And here there are language settings. Not all the languages have voice, and you can download some other languages. I know a lot of people are looking for AAC apps in things other than English, so you can find that with this app. You can enable or disable modifications, meaning that if a child is using the app and you don't want them to be able to mess things up or you set it a certain way, if you just disable this option, then people won't be able to add, modify, or delete the images, and you'll be all set. If you want to show the words below the images or just have the images, just change that setting. Enable voice, you probably want that always enabled, but they give you that option here. You can change the image size, so if I let's change the image size in the sentence bar to, for whatever reason, very small. Then we can go back and take a look at what that looks like when we type.
Canvas shoe.
You'll see that this image bar up here is a lot smaller than it was before. So that is just more of the customization that it gives you to tailor to your needs. So really, and also if you're going to customize something or change something, just tap and hold. It'll give you some options on what you want to do for categories and also for individual items within a category. You just tap and hold and you can edit from there. This is a really great app, especially because it is free. So if you are one of the people who reads Autism Plugged In and uses the Android devices, this is perfect for you if you're looking for an AAC app. I love it. It's free. It's great. You should get it. There's more information in the full review, which I linked to in the description of this video, and thank you for watching.